In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency Patreon account 2025 step by step. If you're using Patreon and want prices and pledges to display in a currency that makes more sense for you, this guide will walk you through the exact clicks. We'll move slowly and clearly so you can follow along without pausing every second. First, open your browser and go to patreon.com. On the home page, head to the login area. Enter the email address you use for your Patreon account. Then select the option to continue with your email. This takes you through the standard sign-in flow. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home or dashboard view. From here, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel with several options. Find and click Settings. This opens your account settings area where you can control how Patreon behaves for you. Within Settings, choose the Account section. This is where your basic preferences live. Once you're in Account, scroll down the page until you reach the section labeled Currency Preference. This is the setting that controls how amounts are displayed across Patreon for your account. Click the currency option to open the list of available currencies. You'll see a set of choices. Take a moment to pick the one that matches the way you want to view amounts on Patreon. When you've decided, click the small circle next to your preferred currency to select it. That circle is a radio button, and once it's filled in, your choice is active. At this point, your currency preference is updated. Patreon typically applies this change right away, so the next time you view pledges, membership prices, or totals, they should display in the currency you selected. If you're switching for clarity, for travel, or simply to avoid doing conversions in your head, this setting is the easiest way to make your experience more comfortable. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind as you finish up. This change affects how amounts are shown to you in your account. It's a display preference, so it's about what you see when browsing and managing your memberships. If you ever want to adjust it again, just return to Settings, open the Account section, scroll to Currency Preference, and pick a different option the same way. That's it. You've successfully changed your currency on Patreon. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough if you want to double check the path. Patreon.com, login, settings, account, scroll to currency, choose your currency, and click the circle to confirm.